sun. She looks really good. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. So far, she's driving really nice, shifting smooth. Sounds really good. So far, steering feels good. It's nice and straight. It doesn't have a lot of play in it. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes feel good. Suspension's a little bouncy, but we are on some pretty bumpy roads once we get out to the main strip. Driving really nice. Definitely a bumpy ride on these back roads. Suspension feels tight though. Steering feels good. No issues with shifting, brakes are solid. Really nice driving truck. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at that wheel, it's in great condition. Down to the barrel on the back, looks really nice. Here on these tires, 245, 45/20s. Looking at the tread, it's a little low. You have some gashes here that have been touched up. Little scuffs on that chrome trim. You're gonna have kind of that orange peel effect a little bit on that paint. Get that right lighting there. Typical swirls from just everyday washing. If we get real close, you're gonna see some dimples throughout the paint. Little things like that, but overall, she's beautiful. You got the cracking here, and then little bubbles. Got those spots down there. Got mirrors in great condition. You're gonna see the flaws in here and some of that orange peel and the texture in the paint. Got the cracking and little flaws there. Couple chips. The chips there. Got some flaws here. You got some alignment issues there. Kind of pokes out a little bit. Kind of pokes out just a little bit. Making our way down the bed. Couple dimples. You got some chips. Little scuffs. You're gonna see kind of the orange peel effect. Looking at that wheel, looks awesome. Date code on these tires are 2017. Tread looks pretty decent there. Looking at the bed, that looks really nice. Typical little scuffs on here. For the most part, that's in great condition. Got your 7-Up ball there. Little chip here. A couple small ones every once in a while there. You do have a crack right here. Light looks good. You got a dent here. You got a dent right there. That bumper's in great condition. A few chips. A little dent here. You can see the rock chips on that white trim. You have some cracking there. Just little stuff, really. Getting underneath her. Look at that. Looks good. I do see some cracks there as well. Wheel looks good. You have some chips here. That's in great condition. Try to scan here on the roof. Look at some of that. A couple dents on the trim here. Looks like something kind of grazed the edge right there. A couple scuffs. You can see that. A few chips. Little scuffs on that trim. We got a dent right there. That lower side looks good. Once again, these wheels pretty much look brand new. Got some chips here. See some flaws there. Got a chip here, there. A couple more throughout. Tail light looks good. Yeah, some gashes here. And when you get close, you're gonna see dimples, of course. A couple feet away though, you won't see that. I'm gonna try to get underneath once again. And then along that lower section, you'll see those. Well, honestly, from 3 feet away right here, she is a looker. Of course, you get really close, you're gonna see those little imperfections. driving down the street and just kind of walking around it at a show, that paint is going to look really nice. Opens and closes, really nice. Here on that door panel, you're going to see the wrinkles and imperfections when they installed that. You're going to see kind of those flaws throughout. That is nice and secure though. A couple markings, a few little scuffs and chips. They finished out the door jambs there. You have some flaws there. Got all-weather mat. The carpet looks good. These seats look awesome. They're in great condition. Really clean. Couple flaws here on the little details. Overall, though, it looks really nice. Here on the interior, looking at that panel, it does have some wrinkles and imperfections there, a couple stains. The handle's on there nice and secure though. Looking at the jambs, got your fire extinguisher. These seats are absolutely gorgeous. They're in great condition, super soft. Here on the steering wheel, that looks good. Column is clean. Those gauges look good. Gonna scan under there. Looking in the jams. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay here. Batteries from 2022. That looks really nice. Here on the underside, for the most part, that looks good.